Hello students, today we are going to learn about bathroom. First of all, we will see explanation of bathroom. A bathroom is where people go for personal hygiene activities. Now let's see some question answer related to this chapter. Question number 1. Where do you take a bath? Your answer is in a bathroom. Question number 2. What do you use for wiping your body? Your answer is towel. Question number 3. Name an article that can be used for washing your hand. Your answer is soap. Now students, we will learn the names of things in your bathroom. Let's see. Soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. Shampoo. S-H-A-M-P-O-O. Shampoo. Towel. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. Bucket. B-U-C-K-E-T. Bucket. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Mirror. Thank you.